Today, I'm going to show you how to make whipped chocolate mascarpone dessert that's perfect to enjoy as a chocolate mousse or as a frosting on your favorite treat. And I've got the blog post, which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions for this treat that has only 4 ingredients. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give this whipped chocolate mascarpone dessert recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. Start by pouring a cup of cream into a bowl. And then I'm going to use electric beaters and whisk until it just starts to come together into whipped cream. There you go, it's just kind of starting to thicken because we're still going to whip it a little bit more. We don't want to over whip it, so now we'll add in the other ingredients. Starting with the mascarpone, I popped a half a cup of mascarpone in and just give that a whisk through. See how beautiful and creamy and luxurious that is. Now we are going to add in the cocoa powder and sugar. Now for both the cocoa powder and the sugar, we want to pop it over a sieve to get any of those lumps out. And I'm actually going to go for 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. It's just up to you how chocolatey you want it. You can go more, you can go less. It is up to you. So 1 tablespoon, 2, and the 3rd and final spoon. And now for the powdered sugar, I'm going to go 2 really heaped tablespoons. But yeah, it really depends on you, the chocolate to sugar ratio you want, whether you want it sweeter or whether you want it more dark and chocolatey. Just change it around. And the 2nd tablespoon. There you go, that is perfect. And now start on low so it doesn't kind of go everywhere. We're going to whisk all of that in. And there you go, my mascarpone chocolate frosting is done. It is rich and decadent and just so incredible. Now you need to kind of use this straight away. So have your cake, cupcakes, brownies, you can even sandwich cookies together with it, whatever you want to use it in. Just have it ready to go, perfect and cooled, and then it's good to go. So that is the video for today for how to make this whipped chocolate mascarpone dessert recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know your favorite way to enjoy mascarpone. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has the full recipe for this easy 4 ingredient dessert. So thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye.